Hi everyone, it's Evelyn. In this video I'm gonna show you how I make my vision board and how you can make your vision board and actually manifest the goals and dreams that you put on your vision board, and how it's all related to the law of attraction. So I've currently been reading Law of Attraction, which is a book by Esther and Jerry Hicks, and it basically talks about the fact that we live in a perfect universe and that everything that happens is a result of our thoughts and emotions, and that we can never draw anything bad to us unless we let it in. So essentially we attract the essence of who we are and the vibrations that we send out to the universe. That's basically the law of attraction in a nutshell, that whatever you think about, you're gonna attract more of. The more you think about something, the more it's gonna happen to you. So the more negative you are, the more negativity you're gonna attract into your life. And the more positivity you have behind your thoughts, the more positivity is gonna enter into your life. Everything on the board needs to be stuff that you picture yourself having already. So when you look at this board, you wanna picture yourself already having all of those things, you know, and really believing that you're going to have all of it. And also you want to put the vision board someplace where you can see it all the time. So some people have it over their bed, it can be like next to your mirror, just like anywhere where you know you're gonna look at it. And it can even be in your office or in your car maybe, I don't know, or where you spend most of your day. The concept behind that is that when you look at something, you're gonna think about it more, and the more you think about it, the more of that you're gonna attract. But yeah, let's just get right into the video of how I made it and how you can make your own.
You had to did it to your own self. Delicious. You had to did it to your own self. Delicious. You had to did it. You had to did it. You had to did it to your own self. Too bad. You had to did it. You had to did it. You had to did it to your own self. Delicious. You had to did it. You had to did it. You had to did it to your own self. Too bad. You had to did it. You had to did it. You had to did it to your own self. Rock the gym. Rock the gym. Rock the gym. You had to did it to yourself. Too bad. You had to did it. You had to did it. You had to did it to your own self. Delicious, 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 once again, you had to did it. You had to did it. You had to did it to your own self. Too bad. You had to did it. You had to did it.
Okay guys, so this is my old vision board that I made at some point last year, and it looks like this. It's quite pinkish and a lot of quotes on there and a lot of places that I wanted to travel. And the reason I actually made a new vision board was because I've already done some of the things that I put on this board. So for example, I already went to Machu Picchu, I already manifested that, and I really wanted to see some cool waterfalls. That's always been a dream of mine, so I put that picture here, and I saw some really cool ones in Bolivia. I danced in the carnival in Bolivia. I went backpacking, which is on this photo here. I went to some really nice beaches, and I just put like, be a nice human. And the biggest quote is, loving yourself is the greatest revolution, which is a quote that I feel really resonated with me because I'm really trying to love myself more. Now to the moment you've all been waiting for, my finished vision board, which looks like this. And I actually quite like how it turned out. I mean, it's quite minimal, quite green, and there's not like a lot going on there. It's quite simple, like nothing complicated really. And yeah, because I put Hollywood on my old vision board, I still really want to go to LA, so I put Venice Beach here. And I put the lovely Michelle Phan, which is actually one of my first YouTube idols that I ever watched on YouTube, and I remember she made like a really cool makeup video, like a video tutorial, and I never saw that before on YouTube, and I was like, wow, you know. And she still really is my idol, even though she's not like really a current YouTube trend at the moment. And yeah, I really want to go to Palawan in the Philippines, so I put a really cool picture of what it looks like there. And I put dream big in the middle because I feel like that's a really important part. And then what you think you become, which has a lot to do with the law of attraction. I really like this picture over here because this picture because it reminds me to always stay weird and to always be myself. And that was all for how to make a vision board, and I hope you really liked this video. And yeah, please comment down below what you thought of it and give it a like if you like this video. I hope you make your own vision board, and I want to see how it turns out. Make sure to leave me a comment if you're planning on making a vision board and if you want any tips. Yeah, bye guys!
You had to did it to your own self. Delicious.